guys, we just parked and got here. I am getting my brows retouched today. It has actually been 15 months. I think they've held up pretty good. You can see, I will say, the reason I'm doing this is because they start to fade. It's not like a regular tattoo, like I've said before. In my very startings of YouTube, I did a video on the process of microblading, but this is my first video getting it retouched. You can see what it's like to get them retouched, what it's all about. This is new for me too, so I don't really even know, but I do want, the color has faded, so I want to get it touched up, get them deepened up a little bit, and you can come along and learn as we go.
Normally recommend at least a year and a half after your second touch-up. If you know, depends on the skin type and your skincare routine. So you take really good care of them. So that's like an awesome. The longer you can go, the better. That's what I say.
Okay.
The minimum, I would say 9 months, so that we are not creating scar tissue.
Do you go over the same one, or you're making new ones?
If I am still able to see the stroke, I will go over the same one, but I feel like as long as it's been at least within that 9 months to a year, so that again, like I'm not creating any scar tissue. Yep.
Yeah, because I can see my strokes still, just in certain spots they've kind of blurred.
Yeah.
Okay.
They'll kind of fade down, they just keep fading, so.
Which is a plus of microblading.
Mm-hmm. Like right now, they faded enough where I kind of can start a new pattern. Mm-hmm. So the longer you can wait, the better. You want to just let it fade down. But, I mean, in my opinion, I feel like just let it fade down, because we can always go back through. You just don't. If you were having, I always compare it to like a regular tattoo on your body. Like, would you go back and touch it up like 5 times in 1 year?
Right.
Fine hair strokes, we want to keep them as crisp as we can, unless you're doing shading. But eventually, like if you keep going back so often to microblade, and you're just wanting to keep that hair stroke look, if you go too often, you're gonna have no choice but to most likely have to start shading a little bit.
So if someone is going to get Botox, which I am at the end of this month, the process is okay to do it right now. Better to do it before than after is my question, right?
I feel like it depends on if someone keeps up with their Botox. So if you're someone that goes and gets Botox every 3 months, then you may want to go get your Botox first. But I still personally recommend to do it without your Botox. Like, either way.
I'm more 1 to 6 months, honestly. I don't do it every 3 months.
Yes, totally. So on either end though, if you are gonna get it, you would want to wait at least 2 to 3 weeks before you get the microblading done, or 2 to 3 weeks after we do this, you won't want to go get the Botox for at least 2 to 3 weeks. So we have enough time. You'll be like 3 weeks out, right?
Yes. Okay. Maryellyn did her magic. I am complete. They are going to shrink a little bit in the front here, or maybe all over. I don't know. For sure in the front. So I did them a little thicker. I love them, love them. I mean, of course, you'll see week to week what they look like. Take care. Make sure you're subscribed. Hit that bell for notifications, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.